Welcome to this week's edition of Neuroscience Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs in neuroscience. Brought to you by LucidQuest, this series delivers highly curated insights into clinical trials, regulatory updates, and emerging therapies that are shaping the future of neuroscience. The National Multiple Sclerosis Society has launched the Tell MS It Ends With Us campaign during MS Awareness Week, running from March 9th to 15th. This initiative encourages individuals with multiple sclerosis to share their personal experiences using the hashtag MSEndsWithUs. The campaign aims to amplify advocacy efforts and accelerate research toward finding a cure. Johnson & Johnson has announced the discontinuation of its Phase 3 clinical trial for adacaprant, an experimental antidepressant. The study showed that the drug did not demonstrate sufficient efficacy in treating major depressive disorder. Despite this outcome, the company plans to explore alternative applications for adacaprant in future research. Continuum Therapeutics is advancing its neuroscience pipeline with promising treatments for chronic pain and multiple sclerosis. Pipe 791, a novel therapy for chronic pain, has entered Phase 1b trials to assess its potential in osteoarthritis and low back pain. Meanwhile, Pipe 307, a treatment for multiple sclerosis, is currently in Phase 2 trials, with data expected by late 2025. The company anticipates conducting 6 clinical trials across multiple neuroscience indications this year and remains financially strong, with a projected cash runway extending through 2027. Nirvonic has secured $13 million in funding to advance its next-generation, opioid-free pain therapy. The company is developing a peripheral nerve stimulation system, which has successfully completed a first-in-human study. The newly raised funds will be used to support regulatory approval and commercialization efforts. Trimtech has raised $31 million to advance its neurodegenerative disease pipeline. The company's Trimtech technology is designed to eliminate protein aggregates associated with Alzheimer's and Huntington's disease. Investors in this funding round include Cambridge Innovation Capital and Pfizer Ventures. This novel approach has the potential to significantly improve treatment options for millions of patients worldwide. Stem cell therapy is showing promise in the treatment of mild Alzheimer's disease. Laromestrocel, an experimental stem cell therapy, demonstrated a 48% reduction in brain atrophy while improving cognitive function and reducing neuroinflammation. These findings support the need for larger-scale clinical trials to evaluate its potential as a new treatment for Alzheimer's. Want to stay ahead of the latest neuroscience research? Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. We cover breakthroughs across multiple therapy areas, so visit www.lqventures.com and reach out to LucidQuest at info@lqventures.com for healthcare consulting services.